Help support our coverage with a free account on Privacy, the service that keeps you protected when shopping online. Get $5 to try it now by using promo code QZZ2J. And with Blueberry, the community that gives creators the power to make money, get detailed audience measurements, and host their audio and video. Get a 30-day free trial by using promo code Blueberry004. And we'll talk about that in just a second with our next guest. Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm great. How are you doing?
Fantastic. Go ahead and introduce yourself for me.
Hi, I'm Jennifer Garrett. I'm the Director of Industrial Design for Monster Smart IlluminEssence, which is a fabulous new line of Wi-Fi controlled lighting products.
And my regular viewers will recognize the IlluminEssence series, as we've done a ton of videos on them, how-tos and stuff, but this is like a whole new thing. This is nothing like the RF remote standard set.
So we've got three technologies right now. We've got Monster Basics, which is IR controlled, so you've got one remote that controls just that device. You've got IlluminEssence, which is RF, so you can control a room of devices. This is Monster Smart IlluminEssence, which is your entire home. Every room, indoor and outdoor, portable products, fixed products, everything all under one app that is fully customizable.
Well, that's fantastic, because, you know, the RF one, which is the one that we've been familiar with, you know, you can get, you know, up to 40 devices on a remote, and that's nice, but you get, if I want a certain blue, I'm not going to get that certain blue because I've just got the wheel.
Exactly.
If I want a certain thing to happen, I have to hope that it's one of the pre-programmed things. Christmas, fine. Red and green, pre-programmed into the system.
Pretty straightforward,
But I don't have maybe something for New Year's or something like that. Maybe I want custom colors. Maybe I want my brand color on my set, something like that. I can't do that with the standard IlluminEssence, but it looks like from the app I've seen here, I might be able to pull that off here?
Yes, so the app comes preset with some scenes, and a scene is a combination of colors, light patterns, color changing modes, speeds, and brightnesses. So you can save all of those into a scene. We have 12 originally baked in that do amazing things, everything from music reactive strobe lights to swirling vortexes of color, just really cool. But if you've got special things in mind, you can make up to 4 custom scenes, or you can modify any of the original ones and save your changes.
Okay.
And these can apply to all of the products. So you can set up your scenes once, group multiple items together, and just hit that button for your custom, say you made a movie night, and that's your exact ideal settings for what every light is doing. You hit that scene and you're good to go. You can also tie it in to Amazon, Google, or Siri to trigger that scene for you by voice.
Okay. Fantastic.
Yeah.
So the thing that continues to pop through my head is our studio has been the same for a long time. We've been talking about redoing our home studio, and I have a design, and it involves color custom LEDs.
Well, you've come to the right place.
And it seems like I have a ton of choices on what I could do with that.
You definitely do. So I can tell you about some of the choices that you have here. So right in front of me, first of all, I have this awesome product here. So this is an LED strip, completely reimagined. So you're not seeing the individual LEDs like we're used to. This is in a custom designed diffuser, and it's water resistant. So this is great for indoor, outdoor. It's really flexible, so you could write a message kind of like neon. And it's color controlled through the app, through your scenes, and it's fantastic.
So I could just do RP in a big and have it lit up in the green that we choose.
If you want to hand me those 2 boxes right in front of you, yes. This is another item for writing custom messages.
Oh, yeah.
This is the Digit, and they're 3D LED wall panels.
Okay.
So they're shaped like one segment of an LED display.
Yeah.
So you can arrange them and write your custom messages, draw custom patterns, and communicate whatever message you're trying to sell.
I'm gonna move a couple things so we can see you better.
Right.
We got lots of cool stuff to talk about.
I wish I could bring the physical sample of this, but it's attached
to the
my
wall.
booth. So you'll have to come visit me there to play with it. But the great thing about this is it has a custom engineered magnet bracket that makes installation really simple.
Oh, cool.
So it's just bounds ahead other products like this because you can just snap it on the wall and then you can take it off and rotate it around the bracket to change your pattern. So you could write your P and then flip every panel in another direction and have an abstract panel.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, you know.
I would like to already have that up and running.
You must wait until the spring.
Okay.
They're almost ready, but we'll make sure that you...
Almost ready is a good place.
Almost ready, yes.
That's a good place to be. Because we're at CES, some of this stuff isn't ready until the middle of 2021.
Right.
Almost ready is a good place to be.
We're actually ahead of the game. That's true. So this is Digit. It comes with a starter pack of 3 pieces and a really approachable price point. This is at $59 for your starter pack.
And so it's got the 3, it's got the power.
And the power and the controller, and then you can buy as many add-on packs as you want. You can get up to 10 panels off of 1 controller.
Okay.
And yeah.
And then past that, if I wanted to do more, you just have another controller, and since they're all controlled through a scene, you put the 2 controllers together as a light in the scene, and you're good to go.
So if you wanted to write a message, you would probably be able to, you know, 1 or 2 of these. You could write a letter. You could write an entire word. So then each one has its own controller. You could change the color of every letter, every number individually.
Okay.
A lot of fun options here.
Yeah, for sure. And since they're designed, like you said, like an 8-segment, 9-segment.
8.
2, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. 5, 6, 7 segment.
7. Yeah.
2, 2, 3. 7 segment.
We're good at math.
We are. A 7-segment LCD screen. We're all familiar with how these things build letters.
Yeah, this is
perfect.
This is fun for us tech people because we feel this in our bones. We get it.
Oh,
yep. So next step, if you want to hand me one of those big boxes over there.
Okay.
Just drop these ceremoniously on the ground. This is the step-up version. This is Prism. Unceremoniously dropping things on the ground.
Apparently.
Okay.
Or just chucking it at Michelle, apparently. That's what just happened.
That's fine.
I need it a little closer so I can run and get it home.
So this also is a 3D wall panel. So it's got a lot of life to it, even when it's off, because that's one thing we wanted to make sure, like, we're filling our homes with these LED objects. What do they do when they're not lit? They should still be attractive. So it's like a piece of sculpture on your wall. And they interlock and tessellate to create different patterns as well. And you can do a really cool thing with this. On the back of each panel is an arrow, and that arrow indicates what direction the LED patterns will move if you've got lines. And because it's got the magnet bracket, you can take it off, flip the arrow to another side, and pop it back on, and just change the entire physical appearance of your wall art on a whim. You can change your color, your modes, and the physical setup very, very easily.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a lot of fun.
It is.
You should come play with it.
And I'm guessing the one that
I'm going now.
I'm guessing the one that I threw at Michelle is probably
the starter pack.
The starter pack.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the starter pack of that one comes with 4. It creates a lovely Triforce design. It's very nice. Plus the expansion pack, and you can get up to the
100% what I
hexagon.
saw.
Yes. Yes.
I'm glad we're on the same page.
Absolutely.
I knew we were going to get along just fine.
Yeah. So that's Prism, and this is the top of the line product. Works with the same app, same customizable settings, and it is $69.99 for the starter pack.
Oh, wow.
So I don't know if you're familiar with other products in this vein of LED wall art.
Yes.
They're $2.99 starter packs.
They are.
And, you know, everybody deserves to have cool color changing stuff.
And $49 per panel to
Yeah.
add on. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, I know.
Yeah. No, these are fun.
It's what we didn't install in the studio.
Correct.
I know. We all know who we're talking about.
Now.
We all know who we're talking about.
Yes.
All right.
So, and then this is our last guy here. That's my magic ball. This is the orb. And this is a portable, rechargeable lighting device with a integrated handle. So you've got flashlight, you've got tabletop. We also have this hole right here through the handle so that if you want to hang it from a string, it'll be nice and centered.
I saw that over the booth.
You've got a little pendant light.
And then you said something, or Noel said something at the press conference yesterday.
Yeah, it is water resistant, and we're working on the engineering to make it float. Right now it wants to do this.
Okay, fair enough.
So it lights your water.
Fair enough. And you know what? That would be pretty cool.
Right? So testing will be underway. Noel has dreams, and we will try and make them real, like we do.
You know what? With what we've got going on right now, clipping something into the mounting hole would be enough for me. Put something heavy on the other side to make it go the other way, and I'd be there.
There you go.
And that would be good enough for me. I know that's not good enough for Noel.
Yeah.
But for me, if I had one of these today and I was taking it to the pool, I'd find something heavy to clip into the bottom to make it go the other way.
There you go. So right now, our dream for this, like, they're great in multiples. Get them, say you're outdoors, you're entertaining, indoor, outdoor kind of thing. These travel wherever you go. You've got about a 4 to 6 hour battery life, depending on what you're doing. If it's color changing, high brightness, it'll be shorter. And again, you tie the whole thing into your color scene, create an ecosystem of light in your home.
I love that.
And it's also a really good bedside product. You know, you've got it in your room.
Oh, yeah.
You can have it a little bit further away. If you've also got like a mini or a dot in your room, you can just be like, turn on my orb, turn off my orb, and in the middle of the night, you get up, you got to go to the bathroom, you got a flashlight.
That's fantastic.
Yeah.
So, price point idea on this?
$29.99.
Are you kidding me?
Oh, I can get a bunch of them for $29.99.
That's
know.
exactly what I like to hear.
and this guy, did we talk about a price point on this guy?
This one I think is $39.99.
Okay.
Yeah, and it'll be in a 5 meter length. This is the mini. This is a 2 meter that we have here. That would be same price as the orb.
Okay. And I see a thing here on the end. Is this just a terminator, or is this? Okay.
So because these are water resistant, they're completely closed, so you can't expand them.
Perfect.
But we do have the
water
indoor
resistant.
ones where you can link multiples
Click them
together.
Cool.
Yeah.
Awesome. And are we looking at the same general availability on all of these, or are they going to stagger?
We are hitting the market strong with all of these products in Q2 with a major national retailer that everyone will have access to. So keep an eye out for them. And as we continue on, there's Generation 2 already in the works of a lot of these, and some other cool new products that are in the pipeline.
That's really cool. And as somebody who has an office and apartment filled with IlluminEssence products, I'm really excited to see, because we've had over since Thanksgiving, since the Black Friday special, we've had almost 200,000 views on IlluminEssence videos on YouTube, and people keep asking, can I this? Can I this? And the answer has been no. It's the remote, and enjoy it. And the two things that have been asked for the most are, can I control it with my phone? And can I set my own color?
Right. So, I mean, there's solutions for every price point and every style of product. That's the great thing about the Monster IlluminEssence line. And this is definitely the capstone. This is, we went all the way to the top and blew off the ceiling, so now we've got infinite options.
Very cool. Well, I'm loving all this. I cannot wait to see them out in the wild in the second quarter.
Yep.
If people want more information about all of the things we've got here, how can they get it?
We will have it available online, and we'll make sure to get you all the links and everything so you can bump it out to your viewers.
Fantastic. I appreciate it.
Awesome.
Well,
thank
thanks
you.
for coming and talking to us today.
Thanks for having me.
Absolutely.